Hello students, today we will solve exercise 4.2. The first question of the exercise is, using properties of determinants and without expanding, solve this determinant equal to 0. That we can't solve this determinant directly, we have to apply properties of determinant on this determinant. Yes, for these students, firstly see, first column is given x, y, z, second column a, b, c, and third column is x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. We have to apply properties on this determinant and prove this is determinant equal to 0. How to do? See, if we apply operation on the first column, what operation we can apply on first column? On first column, C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2, it will become x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Second column will be the same, a, b, c. Third column, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c as it is. Because we are applying only operation on the C1. That's why it will change. And what operation we are applying on it? C1 plus C2. First column and second column दोनों को क्या कर दो? Add. First column का first element x and second element of element of second column is a. That's why it will become x plus a, y plus b, z plus b. Now see. Now required determinant will be first, second, third column. First column and third column elements are same. We know if two columns or two rows are same, then the value of the determinant is 0. We this did in the properties of the determinant that if two columns or two rows are identical, then the value of the determinant will be 0. हमने यहाँ पे यही बनाया, फर्स्ट कॉलम और थर्ड कॉलम क्या कर दिए? सेम. दैट्स वाई द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट विल बी 0. अंडरस्टैंड? इवन यू कैन अप्लाई ऑपरेशन ऑन C3 like this. C3, if we write C3 minus C1 or C3 minus C2. Then it will become x, y, z first column as it is. Firstly लिख लो. Second column as it is. Because we are applying operation on only C3. That's why C3 column will be changed. On C3 what we are applying? C3 minus C1. अच्छा C3 पे हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं C3 minus C1. C3 first element is x plus a and second first element of first column is x. Minus करना है x minus x cancel. Here will be x a. Same here b and then c. Two columns are same. Value equal to 0. If we apply C3 minus C2, first column same, x, y, z, second column same, a, b, c, and here हमें क्या लिखना है? C3 पे अप्लाई करना है C3 minus C2. C3 minus C2. C3 x plus a, C2 minus a, y plus b minus b, z plus c minus c. A cancel, b cancel, c cancel. बच के गया हमारे पास x, y, z. x, y, z. First and third column are same. That's why the value of the determinant is 0. So students, in this way, we can solve this determinant by using a property not without directly expand the value of the determinant equal to 0.